Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be making a very simple garlic and olive oil pasta. We need 1.5 cup of cooked pasta, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, cheese, preferably parmesan but I'm using cheddar over here, salt for seasoning, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili flakes. We need 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley and 3 tablespoons of garlic. Firstly, we need to add the olive oil, so make sure the pan is heated already. Add the oil, so make sure you keep a medium flame at this point and mix it well together. Make sure it's hot again. Add the garlic at this point. Once it's nice and hot, add it in. There you go. Saute the garlic really well until it's glittery oily. Make sure it's not brown though. Then add parsley. I suggested 2 tablespoons, but I'm adding 4 because I like the taste of parsley. Keep mixing it really well. Mix it. Then add salt for seasoning. Keep mixing it really well. Next you add the chili flakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon. If you want it hotter, make sure you add more, but I suggest 1/4 of a teaspoon. Mix it and make sure it gets to every inch of this pan. Add the pasta. If you don't know what kind of pasta this is, it's farfalle. I like the shape of it. Make sure you mix so that the mixture gets to every corner of that pasta. Then add the olive oil. At this point, turn off the flame. Then add the cheese. Obviously, I recommended Parmesan cheese. It's not available today, so I'm using cheddar cheese. That's it. It's done. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe. Until next time, ta-da. Here's the recipe, by the way.